Hello friends, I'm your crabby buddy and today we'll learn how to make me. And guess what? At the end of the video, I'll tell you a super fun fact about crabs. Hi friends, here is a fun fact about me. Did you know crabs can walk sideways really fast? That's our special crab dance. And we can live in both water and on land, and we have 10 legs. We are like little travelers who enjoy both worlds. If you like my video, please click on subscribe button. Bye bye.